Okay, so I attempted to do the leveling kit today, but these U-bolts are all seized on. So if I was to get them all the way off, they would just bend and stretch, and I wouldn't be able to get them back on after I was done. So what I'm going to do is order a mini spring pack lift and go with that. It was like 120 or 130 or 40 bucks or something. So I'm going to go that route just because new U-bolts are 80 bucks. And that's just for U-bolts, and then I'll still have to get center pins, and I don't even know if this leveling kit would work, so I'd rather just go with all new, and that's my logic behind that. But today I don't want to do nothing all day, so maybe I'll do something with the exhaust. Maybe I'll do an axle dump with the 5-inch tip for today. That could be fun. That wouldn't take that long, so I've had the exhaust clamps, might as well. I'm not going to throw the steering stabilizer on yet. I'll wait until the lift is in, and then I'll do that, because I don't know how I'm going to be for clearances and stuff down here. So yeah, so I'll have to order that, which will be a few weeks. So I'll do the exhaust today, and I guess some sanding, maybe do some paint prep. I'm actually going to spend a while on this, I think. The bumpers turned out good. The grill, I didn't take enough time. There's like dirt underneath, or moss, so that kind of sucks. But oh yeah, it's already chipping off. Good. Okay, so here, got the tip off. Piece of straight is in now with my new band clamp. So now I'm just gonna mock this up, draw out where I need to cut this pipe on the downhill, somewhere around there. And that's it. Then I'll throw the 5-inch tip back on, throw the 8-inch tip on when it comes here. I had to do something cool today, so there we go. Okay, so the straight pipe is in. I didn't line it up exactly right, a little bit angled up, but now I just need to figure out where to cut it, because I want you to be able to see the tip from the back. And the lower it is to the ground, the more echo you get and the louder it is. So let's crawl up in here because there's no rear tank. So from what I can see, like, I mean, here, 15 inches long is how long the tip is. So I guess I'll bring the tape measure back to that and see what I think. Okay, so basically where this line is perfect to where I want it to go. So that's where it's gonna be. Just take this back piece off and take it out back and cut it with the Sawzall. Alright, so axle dump is done except for the tip. This clamp is kind of rigged up. It's kind of bending that exhaust hanger a lot, but it's solid for sure now, so hopefully that won't fall out. So I'll toss the tip on there and we can get this thing out. I have no front or rear sway bars. They've been chopped off or cut off. I don't know why, but could be a good investment to get some new sway bar, or get a sway bar front and rear, along with the steering stabilizer. It should help with the 20x12s, I would think. Tighten the steering up a lot because it's got Moog front end stuff, all the tie rods and everything. So okay, axle dump done. Oh my god, that looks so mean. I can't wait till I got my tip on there. Since it shoots it right at the ground, should be super loud, about the loudest exhaust you can make. All those echoes, so let's hope she's good. Okay, this is all done, set in stone, so I'll just be waiting on a new tip. And I guess for the rest of the day, I'll do some sanding, I don't know. I think that's probably the best option here since I can't do the level kit. I've got some errands to run, but I can sand for a few hours until noon or something. I got out here at like 7:30 a.m. so now it's 9:30. Smoky because she's still warming up, but I think it sounds better than it did over here. Got a couple of leaks at those clamps, but it's alright. Okay, I haven't made a video in like about an hour and a half maybe. Basically, I sanded the tailgate and I sanded the side of the box. So that's pretty much good to go for this side. While I had this wheel off, I brought one of the new wheels up to it, and basically all I need to cut off for the adapters is like this little end part where there's no threads, which is good. I'm not gonna have to trim much at all, so that kind of works out pretty good. Like it sucks that I still have to trim them all, but I thought I was gonna have to trim a lot of the threads, but I won't, so that's nice. So just waiting on the adapters now. I just ordered the leveling kit, the 3-inch, so that'll be here. I think it said May 14th to the 19th, and today is the 5th today, or the 4th or something, I don't know. So I've got a couple weeks to wait for that. The tip should be here this upcoming week, I think. I can make a video on that. It probably, like, I hope the sound changes, obviously, but we'll see, I guess. And what else do I got coming? Yeah, the adapters and the tip, and then the leveling kit. And I was thinking about just dropping the block out of the rear here, but these U-bolts are going to be C's too. So, I don't know. I'm kind of just hanging on. So, thanks for watching, guys. That's all I got for you today, and see you in the next one.